Okay, so today's area lesson is going to be a little bit different. This time we are going to have to figure out what the length and the width is going to be when we are given the area. So first, here is our warm-up question. A rectangular piece of cloth has a length of 9 inches and a width of 6 inches. What is the area of the rectangular piece of cloth? Is it A, 69 square inches, B, 54 square inches, C, 30 square inches, or D, 15 square inches? Pause the video and solve on your own, and then unpause to check. Did you get B, 54 square inches? You should have done 9 inches times 6 inches, and that gives you 54 square inches. Okay, let's take a look at our I do. So this says the area of the picture frame is 20 square inches. What could be the length and the width of the picture frame? All right, well, from this word problem, I know that the area is 20 square inches. That's what it equals. But what I'm missing, what I don't know, is the length and the width. So I have to think to myself, what are two numbers when I multiply them together that makes 20? Well, 20 ends in a 0, so I'm going to start with my tens. I think 10 times 2, that equals 20. What other numbers besides tens? How about 4 times 5? That equals 20. And also an easy peasy one, 20 times 1 equals 20. So any of these choices would work. I'm going to stick with 10 inches and 2 inches. 10 times 2 equals 20. 10, 20. All right, get a piece of paper, try this one with me. The area of the blue notebook is 80 square feet. So we know that the area of this whole thing is 80 square feet. What could be the length and the width of the blue notebook? We don't know. We need to figure that out. So we have to think to ourselves, what two numbers, when we multiply them together, give us 80 square feet? Well, just like the last one, it ends in a 0. So I'm going to think of my tens facts first. So 10 times 8 equals 80. I could do 20 times 4 equals 80. Or another one, 80 times 1 equals 80. So we know that the area is 80 square feet. And we just need to choose one of these possibilities. Let's go with the 10 times 8. 10 feet times 8 feet gives us 80 square feet. All right, let's try another one. It's going to be a little bit different though. And this time I'm going to give you, the area. And then I'm going to give you 3 possible lengths and widths. And we need to figure out which lengths and widths are going to have the area of 28 square inches. So this says the area of the laptop screen is 28 square inches. What could the length and the width of this laptop screen be? So we know that when we multiply it together, it has to equal 28 square inches. So first we're going to do 9 times 3. So write that down, pause the video, and solve 9 times 3. Once you have your answer, unpause the video and check and see if you had the correct answer. Okay, did you get 27 square inches? If you should have, they're asking us for 28. So is 9 and 3 inches the correct length and the width? No. Okay, let's do 20 times 8. 20 times 8. Remember, I taught you a little trick when we were learning multiplication. Multiply the first two numbers and then take the 0 and put it at the end of your answer. So do 2 times 8 first and then put 0 at the end. Pause the video to solve 2 times 8. So for 20 times 8, did you get 160? If you did, does that equal 28 square inches? No. All right, and 7 times 4. Write it down and solve it. Pause the video while you solve. Did you get 28? Is that what we're looking for? Yes. Okay, go into Schoology and complete the UDO and exit ticket on your class kick.